South Beach, not one celebrity spotted in days. She was tired of her mood, lunching on vegan food. She was tired of just soaking up a raise. Then she saw him pull up to the stoplight in an old ragtop that she couldn't name. He said, hop inside, I'm heading south, take a ride. I'm just the next man that you're gonna blame. The US 1, heading down US 1.
Lenny said, how about lunch in Key Largo? There's a fish sandwich place down the road. Kinda out in the sticks, but we can be back by 6. Never leave our area code. Well, geography wasn't her strong point. She'd never been past the Dadeland Mall. So they stopped on the way. Lenny was happy to pay for her new thong and purple beach ball.
They're going honky-tonkin', cruising on a weekend bus. Really honky-tonkin', doing it just because. Having too much fun to turn back. They're explorers in a hot rod Ford. They counted seabirds and cars, stopped at all the cool bars. Harmonically they struck a chord. Stop! What was that? Somewhere in the middle of the 7-mile bridge, he said, Bella, do you want to see the rest? She said, I haven't a care, Lenny, just take me there. And they drove all the way to Key West.
'Cause she never seen anything like it in all of her 26 years. Bella was feeling the groove, Lenny was making his move. They were quite a pair of pioneers.
They going honky-tonkin', cruising down US 1. They'll be honky-tonkin', trying to catch up with the sun. They'll be honky-tonkin', their engine is about to explode. Going honky-tonkin', hey, they'll meet you at the end of the road. End of the road, what do we do then? Rev it up and jump that buggy to Havana.